Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check if your iPhone screen is original or not. So let's get started. So there's a couple different ways to check this. Now, one way to easily check it is if you're running on iOS 15 or newer, you can now simply go into your settings and then go to General and then go to About, and you should see a message that will say something like this. If it says important display message, unable to verify this iPhone has a genuine Apple display, if you get this message in that About section right here, that means the display is not original. Now if you don't see any messages, that's good, which means we can move on to the next check. So again, if you see this message, there's a really good high chance the screen is not original. It's been replaced with possibly an aftermarket one or an OEM one. Now let's say you're still not sure, you don't see that message, which checks the first check. The next thing you want to check out to check if a screen is original or not is to actually look at the screen here. So I have this iPhone XS here. As you can see here, this screen is original on my left here, right? This one's the original one. This one is been replaced. Now you might be wondering, how can I know that? Well, there's a couple checks here. If you really look at the bottom here, you'll see here on the original one, it goes all the way to the very edge. But here on the one that's been replaced, there's a big gap here. You can see this big black gap here. So if you see that gap here, right, it means it's been replaced. So you'll see this with most of the aftermarket or OEM one. Now, let's say it's maybe to the edge and you're still unsure. The final test to check out is things like the brightness level. As you'll notice here, when I turn on the brightness level between them, right, the original one, it's going to be much brighter. As you can see here, if you happen to be able to compare them, you'll see here the original one is really bright and the one that's been replaced here has a dull to it. The other thing to test for is sensitivity. So you're going to do a swipe and kind of play around with it. Usually the ones that have been replaced, you'll notice a little bit of lag. It's not going to be as smooth as the original one. As you can see here, right, between them, you're going to play around with it. As you can see here, this is much smoother because it's original. This one has a slight bit of lag to it. And you can also check out sensitivity, like when you press and hold on to things, see how it opens up. See, it should be nice, easy feel to it. So again, a couple ways to check the bottom part here, the brightness level, if you can compare it, and if you see that message or not. If you don't see the message, that means most likely it's original. But if you do see a message here like this, that means it's been replaced. So those are a couple ways to check, and I hope this video was helpful. So please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.